All right, everyone, we have an emergency Bitcoin update today. BTC has tapped all-time high. We did not get the retrace that we needed. This has changed things. This video is not intended to scare you. This is not intended to incite fear, just to make you aware of the implications of all-time high getting breached here, to the overall structure, the overall count to the upside, what has changed. We're going to go over all that in today's video. I need to show you DXY's chart. I need to show you Ethereum's chart. I need to show you XRP's chart. Guys, we're going to hit this so quick. Let's get right into it. As you guys know, I wanted a retrace. I'm just going to drag this down here. I wanted this retracement. This is just on the daily time frame for BTC. I wanted to come down to 96K. I wanted this move. I wanted it bad, guys. We didn't get that. What we got instead was a hit to the high. And with this hit to the high, we have breached the all-time high in what looks to be a five-wave fashion. BTC has been playing extremely tricky up here in this zone. And it looked like we had a finished five waves right there. So clear, finished five waves, a nice impulsive move off of that. And what had happened is they just went and grabbed this liquidity that was sitting up here. There was a bunch of liquidity here, guys. It was going to get taken sooner rather or later. And they decided to go grab it. No problem. But I would have liked to see this come down first before it swept that, because that would have at least given me a corrective shape in which I would have still been calling for this move, which we're going to go over in a moment. But it would have led with pretty good probabilities to much higher for the BTC price, because we would have had a solid correction finished up here, and we can start moving to the upside in a serious way. We didn't get that. We got a breach of the all-time high in what appears to be a five-wave fashion still. It's not beautiful. Yes, it just went and swept the highs one more time after it looked like it finished five waves. That happens. But instead of breaching all-time high correctively, we breached it impulsively right here. And it's a scary look for me, because I can see this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves finished to the upside right now, of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves finished to the upside right now, of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves finished to the upside right now. Guys, the top might be in. Bear market might be hitting. It's a more realistic probability now with all-time high getting tagged in a five-wave fashion the way that it just did. I hate that it did that. I wanted to be bullish, guys. I wanted this to come down and correct and say, okay, now let's go up to 130, 140. But we just didn't get that. That's why I wanted this move, because it would have led to higher probabilities of a nice swing to the upside in a serious way. Now, with all-time high breaking, there is still potential for that move to occur. And how it would look, and this would, I'll say this would go well with altcoins, with XRP, with Ethereum. So I'm going to hit those in 1 second right after I go over BTC's count. And then we'll circle back to the top being in count and look at DXY, because DXY is telling me, damn. As we know, DXY and BTC are, have influence on each other. So what can still give me further upside here? Well, if I take this, delete this. If I count this as a corrected move to the downside, which I don't like, guys. I don't like that. But it can be, sure. And then we have a flat correction here. Correction up for A, correction down that broke the low B, impulsive wave up C. That's a textbook flat correction. And that's what I was calling for right here, guys, this flat correction. We just swept the highs one more time. We just been dancing around all-time high here, guys. Dancing around all-time high. And if that is a finished flat correction, you can pull trend-based fib on this as well, extension. We're right in the 1618 box. I usually don't want to see these go higher than if I pull a fib right here on our A wave, then the 1236, which comes in at around the 1618. So it's pretty high up there, and validation is pretty high at around 114. Unfortunately. But we can still have a flat correction right here. So correction down, correction up, impulsive wave to the downside that comes down to 96K. And then that is our finished correction of this wave to the upside. Right here. So we have a flat for our B wave in the middle. Let me make this smaller for you. And let me make this bigger for you. Stick with me here, guys. I got XRP to show you, got ETH to show you, and I got DXY to show you. So we have A, B, C. This can be a flat correction here. And then we can get some continuation to the upside in a serious way. That is a solid correction of this wave. This little dinky correction, that is not, in my opinion, a correction of this wave. If anything, that's a wave 4 looking to complete wave 5. Like that's a bear market is coming on your face type of count. You know what I'm saying? All over your face. Bear market just come on your face. You know what I'm saying? Grow up, guys. Grow up, guys. I didn't mean it like that. Come on now. Come on. Anyways, so I don't want this to be a wave 4 into a wave 5 because, I mean, for me, that would be the 5th of the 5th of the 5th. If I look at DXY, which I'm skipping around here, guys, but stick with me, please. This is important. DXY is telling me that the top might be in for BTC. You know, I just touched on, I don't want to see 5 waves because that's the 5th of the 5th of the 5th, and we might be in for some kind of extended bear market, guys, in which, you know, we like, I mean, you're looking like that, correcting this wave, and then big time pumps. But I mean, shoot, 2030, how you doing? You guys want to sit through some boring activity? I mean, good for trading, but you know, I don't really want to go through that right now. So DXY, as we're looking at this, has been in a nice downtrend. We saw this coming. This is in the live charts over in the free Discord. I got DXY right here. Join the free Discord. You get access to these charts, guys. Also access to my free Elliott Wave Bootcamp. As you guys know, Elliott Wave is the foundation of my trading. This is the DXY chart. I've had this chart for the longest time. Free Discord right here in the pinned comment. Just join up. Let me go back to the clean chart. So for DXY, I do see a finished corrective move right here, A, B, C. We have actually hit the 1-to-1 fib extension beautifully, like pixeled it. And we have hit this bottom trend line support of this parallel channel. Are we going to at least get some type of a bounce here before possible continuation to the downside? Are we going to get a serious bounce and put in a connector right here? And then I can have a WXY for DXY, a WXY for DXY. And then we can have, you know, death to dollar. It's just a really good bounce level for DXY is what I'm saying, guys. It is inversely correlated to Bitcoin. A nice bounce on DXY could lead to a pretty harsh rejection of this all-time high area for BTC. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. DXY is at a great bounce level. BTC is at a great rejection level. You put 2 and 2 together. Let's look at this objectively, guys. Come on. How long can this bull market last? You know what I'm saying? We've been going up and up forever. I'm hoping for the bull's sake, I know a lot of you guys are bullish out there, and I love you. I want you guys to all make money. I really do. For your sake, let me go back down to the 1 hour. I need BTC to give us a solid retrace here. I need BTC to put in that flat correction that I was talking about. And we could just come down to 96K. Let's come down and say what's up to 96. And then we'll talk about rallying to the upside. All right. This is the move I want to see. We shorted this over in premium Discord. Guys, I'm going to go over ETH and XRP in 1 second. But ETH and XRP are showing me that BTC could very well be giving us that ultimately bullish count in which we come down to 96K and then rally. I have a really good count for ETH and XRP that corroborate this. So stick with me. Over in the premium Discord, let's see, fired off this trade, and boy, oh boy, it is hanging by a thread, ladies and gentlemen. Man. Price went up to 112 on the dot. We got stop loss at 112, 139. We'll see if it holds. But we basically kind of let this rally happen. Didn't short anything up here. Just let it go. And then fired short up around 111, 112. So we're holding right now. And we'll see if it does hold and push to the downside overnight. Now, let's head over to ETH and XRP. Guys, if you want to hop into the premium Discord, you get access to all my trades. The direct link is here, but you can access it in the free Discord as well. Right there, there's the link. In order for BTC to give us this flat correction, ABC, to 96K, rally to the upside, ETH can give us a similar style correction. We have a 90% retrace. I'm going to get rid of this trend-based fib extension real quick, guys. If I pull a fib from the top to the bottom, we have our 90% right here, which we have tickled with that last move up. That qualifies for a flat correction. That's the minimum requirement for a flat. The 1-to-1, the 1, 2, 3, 6 is the maximum. Usually. But 0.9, 90% is the minimum. We have a correction down, a correction up that hit that 90%. It's what we like to see. Do we get an impulsive wave down? Recovering more of this imbalance, more of this pump that we experienced on Ethereum. So we didn't get it all. We got a lot of it. We didn't get it all. If I pull a trend-based fib extension on this move, let me get rid of the retracement tool. Coming down to the 1-to-1 is around 2,000. Love it. Sweep the lows one more time and then rally on Ethereum. While Ethereum does that, BTC comes down to 96K at least and then rally. XRP. We have a correction up, correction down, impulsive wave to the upside. That could easily be a flat right there, guys. I see an impulsive wave down here. Flat right here for B. So we got A, B. Are we coming down for C to the 1-to-1 at around $1.85 for XRP? We might be. $1.80. Nah, $1.85. And then we rally. We don't rally forever, but we rally. And I can see a nice, sexy move to the upside coming for XRP. That as well, when it hits 185, would bring BTC down to 96K. And then rally. I love it, guys. I like it a lot. I think up in here, we're not going to rally to 130. We're not going to rally to 140. We're not going to rally to 150. Odds are, if we want to hit those numbers, we need to come down to 96. If not, bear market is here, folks. I will leave you with that. If you want to trade this stuff, guys, Blowfin is the best no KYC exchange out right now, guys. They run tournaments like this, $4.2 million prize pool, They have the most responsive, quick platform. When I'm trading, I don't know about you guys, but I want to throw my trades in as quick as I possibly can. I ain't got no time to mess around. You sign up with your email. If you want a 15% deposit bonus when you deposit funds to trade, 15% free money plus their VIP 1 trading fee tier. You get reduced trading fees. Just click the exclusive Chart Junkies link down here or use code Chart Junkies when you sign up, and you get the 15% deposit bonus and VIP 1 trading fees on Blowfin. Check them out, the best no KYC exchange in the game. Check out the premium Discord, guys, if you want access to all my trades and much more. Click upgrade here in the free Discord. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Trade safe. Love you. Bye.